Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your GPU actually has configurable lighting and noting the exact model, because settings differ between vendors. Once confirmed, install the official control software from your GPU or motherboard maker and update the GPU driver. This ensures compatibility. Next, connect any RGB header or enable onboard LED power in BIOS if needed, because software won't detect unpowered lights. Once done, restart the PC, so the control app initializes with the correct hardware and permissions. Open the vendor control app and select your GPU from the device list. This is where you change modes. Choose a color mode: static for steady light, breathing for soft transitions, or spectrum for cycling effects, and then set exact RGB values or pick from presets so you know why it looks a certain way. Adjust brightness and animation speed. Create and name a profile for gaming or idle, and make sure to sync zones if you want the GPU matched with other components. Save and apply the lighting profile, then test the GPU both at idle and under load so you can confirm the color stays consistent across power states. If colors are incorrect or controls are unresponsive, first recheck internal RGB cable seating and USB headers, then reinstall or update the control app. If problems persist, reflash the GPU lighting firmware. Most importantly, reset the lighting to defaults to determine whether the issue is software configuration or a hardware fault before pursuing repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.